Hey, it's Spence from WP Launchify with your WordPress tip of the day. Today I have a great email from Xander Holt who's asking how we can manage the tracking of somebody's booking a call to know whether or not the call has been completed. And believe it or not, the answer I gave him as shown above is sort of a simple token. So rather than thinking of tags something you give permanently, think of them as like a token that can be used for exchanging whether or not something has occurred. Now you can also have a follow-up tag to document that something has happened. So for example, if this is my token for yes or no, a call has been scheduled, when the call is actually completed, we can take that away and give them something to know that this person has previously had a call. That would work well, for example, in my case where I give everybody one free call. After that, it has to be paid. Well, this is the one that will tell me that there's a call scheduled. And this is the one that'll tell me that they've already had a call in the past. Now, we can integrate this really quickly with either the automations or the components themselves. So inside of Fluent CRM here, first of all, we want to set up the tags. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but we just need two scheduled tags. One is the scheduled and one is the completed. Then you can utilize these inside either the forms, or if you're using the Fluent bookings, as Xander was, you can actually put it into the workflow. So here's one example. I've got a calendar set up that allows me to create a custom integration. It's called Call with Spence. And here basically everything gets set up. But if you go to the bottom under integrations, you can set up a Fluent CRM feed, as well as, by the way, a board feed. And in that feed, we take the first name and last name and email. We add them to the list. And notice we can trigger an event, booking completed. And in this particular case, if I were to use schedule call tag, I would put the tag here. Let's set it up differently. In this case, I'm using the schedule of this to directly add the tag that says a call is scheduled. In that case, I would manually remove it. On the other hand, we could use the scheduled tag by some other means. Maybe it's through payment of a paid call with WooCommerce. And in that case, we'll switch the thing to being a removal of that tag. So the notion here is that when somebody actually completes this call through the booking schedule, it will remove the tag that was given to them previously by WooCommerce. There's a ton of cool ways, but just remember, give a tag, take away a tag is just as good as having a tag there forever. I'll see you on the next video.